In this short video, we will show you how you can create retail-ready packaging as well as assembly instructions. We'll use an example of a tray with a hand lotion cream. So using one of our standards, I am providing the dimensions for this tray. I'm using my rebuild here to change the dimensions and update my 3D, assigning the proper corrugated board material. As you can see here, everything's sped up a little bit. And once I have my tray, I am going to use the 952, I believe, right there as an insert. So we'll use that same corrugate material, 9" by 7" I believe, and 1" height. Convert that and add that to my existing one. Use my copy tool to place it there, delete the original one. Now let's get rid of these two holes first. Let's go back over here, delete those, and simply update, which will update my design. And add my hand lotion tube, which I downloaded through our Studio application, which provides different models of different objects. Now, of course, you can import any 3D object you want if you have the Prime version of ArtiosCAD. So let's have that intersect with the corrugated material using the cross-section tool right there. Which gives us 2, 4, 5 by 4, so 20 tubes per display. And now we are ready to start our assembly instructions. So first I'm going to add my 8.5/11. Next I'm going to enter 3 by 2, so 9 different panels, which I'm going to use to provide detailed instructions to assemble this. We can copy for assembly, go to our template, and simply use a place right there. So that's rinse and repeat. Since this is already constructed, I have to deconstruct it. So let's move some of these elements to the side and start to deconstruct this. Just as an example, so step 1 right here, copy for assembly, go back to your grid and paste in the appropriate location. Panel 3. Having some trouble with this one here. Let's fold this. There you go. Copy, paste. Put this back using my copy tool again. Copy and paste one last time. Here I'm using a detail, which is an interesting option if you want to have a little detail right there. And then I'm using my original copy and paste tool again. And then scale it up a little bit and use the window and paste that in there. So notice you can also add any symbols like arrows or any other type of symbol to help with the assembly instructions. obviously text, sequence numbers, and then you generate your final PDF through the file output. Hope this helps explain the assembly feature in ArtiosCAD. Thanks for watching.